Hi, this is Danielle, the community liaison for Artconomy.com. Artconomy is a platform where you can commission artists to bring your characters to life in all sorts of ways. We provide a safe place for both artist and buyer to conduct business. It's exciting to find new artists to support and to get new art of your beloved characters. So let's get started with a quick tutorial on how to place an order. Let's start with what the customer would see first. For this tutorial, we will be using our staging platform to show both sides of the ordering process. Take a look around and find an artist that you like. Then click on the product to pull up the product page. Click on Order. This will pull up the order form. Make sure to write down everything that you can think of to help your artist create the best piece for you and include any reference photos you may have. Click on Next. The order review screen will pop up. If everything looks good, great. Hit Agree and that's it. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Artists, when the order is placed, you will receive an email giving you the good news. Log into your account. You will see a notification marker in the upper right corner. Click on that and then Sales. You can review the order here and add any additional charges or discounts you may see fit. If you are willing to do the commission, go ahead and accept it. Your customer will receive an email stating that you've accepted the order. Now back to the customer side. After the artist accepts your commission, it's time to submit payment. In the email you receive, click View Your Order here. Then click on Review Items, Pricing, and Pay. Then hit Send Payment. On the pop-up screen, enter your payment information and then hit Submit. Your commission has now been added to the artist queue. And that's how our ordering system works. We hope to see you soon at Artconomy.com.